Somebody shout power. Yes. Thank you very much for coming into our channel today. And I promise you that if you go through to the end of this video, I will tell you one of the secret hidden gems that the elites, the most successful of the world, use that you don't know about. It is hidden from you. And from this moment, if you constantly imbibe what I tell you today, I promise you, your life will never remain the same. This war feeling. Feelings put you in vibrational frequencies that enables your mind ascend or descend to poverty or success. Vibrational frequencies are meant to be harnessed. Vibrational frequencies are meant to be harnessed. They are meant to be harnessed. But you can't harness your vibrational frequency when you are not in the right feeling. So now let me tell you something. These feelings project your vibration. And let me tell you something. These are all vibrations. These are all vibrations. These are all vibrations. Now you have to learn this. Your feelings at every plane of vibration helps you to either achieve what you want to achieve or make you fail. All these are vibrational frequencies. And what helps you to achieve any vibrational frequencies is your feelings. How you feel on a daily basis determines what you achieve in a lifetime. Now let me tell you, for example, if this is your goal, take this dark cycle or dark ball as your goal. If this is your goal, now you have to learn this. This vibration is a vibration of feelings. Take for example, this is where you are. You're on this plane. Being on this plane means you are running on this vibration and you want to get this. First and foremost, you must decide what you want. If you've decided that this is what you want, and right now you are here, it means that maybe you are running on a vibration of anger, poverty mindset, and since all these lines are frequency, it means that this is the kind of feelings you are constantly having. You are having the feeling of anger. You are having the feeling of poverty mindset. You are constantly having this feeling of scarcity. So this is a vibrational frequency. And what runs this vibrational frequency is your feelings. Your feelings helps you to run on a vibrational frequency. So now, this lower rung is the lower rung of anger, poverty mindset, and scarcity. Now, on this other part, it's also another feelings and another vibrational level. You cannot, this place is an FM band. You cannot be on an AM band and get what is on the FM frequency. This is always alive. This is always available. Your goal is already done. You already have what you are seeking for. It's not that you're going to create it. What you just need to do is to move from one frequency to this frequency. So moving from the feeling of anger, poverty mindset, scarcity, not having much, life disturbing you, bothering you, to getting your goal that you have to move into the mindset of wealth mindset, rich mindset. Mind you, you translate to this even when physically you don't have all this. How do you do all this? This is the feelings. Your feelings, you now have to start feeling what you would have felt as if you already had your wish fulfilled. How would you feel when you are now wealthy? How would you feel when you are now having all you ever desired? How would you feel if that goal that you always thought about, how would you feel when you have finally achieved it? Would you feel good? This is the good feelings. Would you feel wealthy? This is the wealthy feelings. So you now start on this level, on this AM level. You start feeling that feeling, start getting happy already. Start filling your mind with joy. Now you have to now start canceling all this poverty mindset, all this scarcity mindset. You must cancel them. You must start imbibing the mindset of good feelings, wealthy mindset. I am prosperous. The Bible said Abraham staggered not at unbelief. Yes, physically the circumstances there that is making you feel bad. That's true, that's obvious. But you must transcend, because you cannot get the FM radio when you're on the AM band. So this is your feelings. Before your body physically moves to your goal, you must first of all move in your feelings through visualization, through meditation. Start enjoying what you would have enjoyed when you achieve your goal right now, even when you have not achieved it. Let your feeling be in harmony with your desire. Let your feeling be in harmony with your desire. That way, because of this wrong is a feeling, and this feeling is also on this wrong, you now have to start feeling the feeling you would have felt when you achieve all these goals. Start feeling them on this lower wrong. Feeling is the greatest secret that the elites know that you don't know. When you constantly feel bad, you are running on the negative vibration, and negative vibration cannot give you that positive vibes that you're looking for. But when you start changing your feelings, start transcending the feelings that you would have felt if you had already achieved your wish fulfilled. How would you feel when you achieve your vision? Start feeling that feeling right now, even when you have not achieved it. Start seeing that thing you should have seen that time. Start seeing those things now. Are you poor? Start working like a wealthy person. Start feeling wealthy. Start acting wealthy. It is not just about fake it till you make it, but embody that which you wish to become. Thank you very much. I would like you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when more of these teachings come, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you very much. Share to your community. Turn on the notification icon. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.